Hi everyone, this is Bryan from GardenMinutes.com, and today I'm going to be putting together our smallest raised garden bed, our 2x2 raised garden bed, which we're going to be using as an herb garden in addition to our full-size garden next to it. So I won't need any tools, drills, anything like that. I'm basically just going to put our floorboards together, our connecting pins, and I'll have a 2x2 raised garden bed in about 30 seconds. So here we go. That's it, we're all done.